everyone, I'm from Women Cosmetics and today we are going to talk about the concealing mistakes that we do often and we do not mind doing them again and again. So let's see what are the mistakes that we do and how to avoid them. We never apply primer before we start our concealing and then we do our foundation directly, which is a big mistake because if we don't apply a primer, then our concealer will flake out after some time and it will look really, ugly. So we should always start with a primer. Let me show you how do we do that. So this is the oil based primer that I am taking. It mattifies but it's like oil. So just a few drops will do. So these are the problem areas, so I'm just pushing it really hard there so that my makeup doesn't get patchy. And then rubbing it all over the face, the leftover. See, this is how it looks like right now, very moisturized and very plumpy. Let's wait for 1 minute so that it absorbs in my skin and then I'll start with the next step. Now I'm going to be showing you another mistake that people do while they conceal. So they use a very light color concealer which we have to use like in the end whenever we apply the foundation, and they try to conceal the dark areas with the lighter one. So let me show you how do they do that. So basically they don't use the correct shade and they end up making it gray. Do you see already it's turning gray, and after like 30 minutes when it starts to oxidize, it will turn my under eye into a gray color already, which is not right. So let me show you the right way on the other eye now. So the right way would be that we take orange color corrector or a darker color corrector because darkness gets cut by these colors only. So you see I've applied enough, and then on this area also this is really dark. So we often make this mistake that we don't conceal this area, which in turn this leads this part to get gray after some time. That's like how this part is turning gray. If we apply foundation directly, it will turn gray as well. So we don't have to do that. We just have to conceal with the orange color or a darker color concealer, this whole part that I'm doing. Now whatever like dark spots or darkness, pimples I have, I'll have to conceal that. If I don't do it, that will be another mistake. So now to turn this area also right, I'm going to wipe it off, apply the primer again, and then we'll do the orange thing here. We do similar with this because we did a mistake and now we are going to correct it. And then there's a mole. You always conceal small moles if you don't want them to show up. Otherwise they will show up in between and it will look really bad. So this is how concealing is done. Not how you apply a lighter color and you can try to conceal it. If you try to do it that way, it's a big mistake guys, because it will turn your makeup gray, which will look very ugly. So trust me, this is the best way to conceal. So this is how when you apply foundation after the right concealing, it looks really great. No dark circle shows up. Let's see a closer look. Nothing shows up, no dark circles, no darkness, no moles, no pimples, and it looks flawless. So if you follow these steps, your application, your foundation application, your base application will be flawless and you will love it. I hope you like these tricks, and I hope you will use it. Thank you. Bye.